All right, y'all, get ready with me for Cinco de Mayo today. We're gonna go to a Mexican restaurant. We're gonna have a margarita, one, and then we're gonna go to my friend's house and just, eat nachos and, chill out. Y'all know Black people love Cinco de Mayo, so get ready. I use this butter cleanser, this butter facial shea butter, and then also this vitamin C serum. I love this stuff. I even already got my next re-up just in case. So I use this all the time. I even got their butter body wash. So as I do this, I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm not going hard for Cinco de Mayo. Last weekend I had my birthday party. We had bottomless mimosas. We had bowling. We went to Pinstripes in Houston. And tell me why I got so drunk on bottomless mimosas. The after kickback I was supposed to have, I couldn't make it. And it was at my house. I was upstairs in bed, just drunk off of what, like 5 mimosas? Like, I cannot drink how I used to drink when I was younger. 1 drink, maybe 2, and I'm done. Like, no shots. Definitely giving just a cocktail. I will not be participating in any more bottomless anything. I need to just focus on my body, my health, my age, and just, have a calmer lifestyle, because going out and partying is just not giving what it used to give. I need one to do business days just to recuperate. Like, these hangovers are worse than anything now. Like, I've never had a hangover this bad as to I can't even function the next day. Usually, like when I was younger, we got toe up, blacked out, and next day went to work. I don't even have a job. I don't even have a job. So thankfully I don't have a job, but I'm still not gonna do it because I don't want my whole day to be ruined. So your girl's not drinking for Cinco de Mayo. She will be eating nachos though. So makeup's done. I'm gonna do my hair. Today I'm going to put on a Goddess Loc Ponytail. It's really easy to throw on. To put my hair in a ponytail. Okay, so I got my hair all up into one little bun. And honestly, it does not have to be perfect. The messier it looks, the cuter it looks to me, because it's dreads. It's supposed to be a little natural. You're supposed to embrace your texture. Okay, so here's the pony. Drawstring right here. Just put the top comb on top of the bun and push it in. And then the bottom comb goes under your bun. And then you grab the drawstring and pull that tight. And then you twist it around. Take your bobby pin and you secure it where your drawstring stopped. You push it in tight, and then you just smooth her out. Oh, she's on there. And that's easy. Today, I think I'm actually going to wear it into a top knot bun. So I'm gonna twist it and pull it around. It's gonna be like a messy bun. some curls out. Oh my gosh, I did that really good. First try. And I just take a little extra scrunchie just to make it more secure and tight. And it is gonna be my hair for today.